Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show how to add tags to product in Shopify and how tags are used in automated collections. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First I go to Shopify admin dashboard, then click on product. Here we can see all the product. Select one product. On the right side, I find tag section. Tags are keywords used to organize and filter products. Now I add the tags. Okay, tags has been added. Then save the changes. Then go to the collections. Add collections. Give a title. Give a description. Now collection type automated. Then here the condition set as tag is equal to sale. Here we can see all the sale products has been added. Then save the changes. View on your online store. All the sale items has been added. So this is how tags help in created automatic collection in Shopify. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.